Okay, now the final step is to sprinkle some spring onions. Hi everybody, welcome back to Cantonese food recipes. I'm Andrew and today I'll be showing you guys how to make some steamed chicken with some Chinese mushrooms. So let's get cooking. This is a very easy, delicious dinner recipe that once made, you just pop it into the steamer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then voila, you got one piece of dish for dinner for the whole family. So let's get cooking. Okay guys, so for this recipe I'm just using some chicken wings over here. Here I've got 9 pieces of chicken wings that I'll cut up into pieces. You can also use your chicken thighs or normal chicken pieces, but I prefer steamed chicken with some chicken wings. So let's cut this up. So this little wing piece, I don't think we will be eating this. I'll just keep it up and boil it up for the dogs to eat. So yeah, let's see the wing. You don't want big pieces of chicken wings, so you have to, here's a piece of the wing, chop this in half. And also this piece over here, also chop it in half. So basically one wing, we chop it into 4 pieces. You want good bite-sized pieces like this, good bite-sized pieces like this. So yeah, you just cut one wing into 4 pieces like this, and then yeah, we will marinate it. So let me just cut the rest of the wings. Okay guys, so when you get these mushrooms, before I just added in cold water to rehydrate them, and it doesn't look like it softens the mushroom that much. So now I added in some hot water, and yeah, the mushrooms are starting to plump up, and yeah, it's getting more rehydrated. Then it'll be easier to cut. I let this sit in there for a few minutes. I'm just going to rinse it with some cold water. Okay, clean them. It looks like it's more rehydrated now. Let's cut them up. Go cut it up into slices. Cutting up better now. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut it up into pieces like this, and then I also just dump it in with the chicken over here, just like that. Just cut it up now. Okay guys, let me show you guys how to marinate the chicken wings and the shiitake mushrooms. But before this video continues, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, first we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Over here I've got 9 chicken wings cut up into 4 pieces per chicken wing over here. So I'm just adding in 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, a quick sprinkle of white pepper. Just make sure the top is fully covered with just a light sprinkle of white pepper. Okay, next some sugar. Add in 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons of sugar. Okay, next we're going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder. Okay, next 1/2 tablespoon of crushed garlic, more or less, doesn't matter. Next we're going to drizzle some oyster sauce. There you go, more or less, doesn't matter. Good drizzle of soy sauce, light soy sauce. Not too much because soy sauce is salty. Okay, a little splash of Chinese rice wine. There you go. A little drizzle of sesame oil. A little bit of some healthy olive oil here. Just add just a little bit more because when you're steaming this, when it comes out, it'll be more shiny when the food comes out. If you don't add enough oil, the chicken won't be that smooth when you steam it. Okay, and finally 1 teaspoon of grounded bean sauce. So it's like black beans that has been grounded, the sauce. Okay, so that is your marination. Now we just gotta mix this up. Okay, let's mix this up. This is a quick 1 to 2 minute mix. Okay, now we're gonna add in some cornstarch. Add in 1 teaspoon. The cornstarch will create, you'll thicken up the marinade, and the sauce will also be absorbed into the chicken wings. And once it's steaming, because we're steaming it uncovered, we're gonna be steaming it in a steamer uncovered, like with any cling wrap or anything. A lot of that steam water will be pouring into the plate of chicken wings, and it's also going to create like a delicious sauce from the marinade. So after it's steamed, you're going to have some tasty steamed chicken with shiitake mushrooms here. Okay, give this a good mix. And as you can see, just 1 teaspoon is enough. If you see it's a bit watery because you added in a lot of like the Chinese rice wine or soy sauce, then you just need to add in a little bit more of cornstarch to thicken up. But you don't want like a very thick sauce, just enough is good. Okay, now it's mixed. We're gonna get a plate. Okay, here's my plate. Just dump all the chicken in here. The mushrooms. Spread it out nicely. Okay, there you go. Okay, now we're going to just let this sit in the fridge for about half an hour before we pop it into the steamer. Okay guys, time to steam the chicken. Check that out. Also cut 1 little chili there to place it on top. We're going to steam this for 20 minutes on high heat, and then afterwards we'll just sprinkle some spring onions on top. Remember, the steamer must be boiling hot. Dump it in. Okay. Steam this for 20 minutes. Okay guys, the steamed chicken's ready. Check that out. Okay, now the final step is to sprinkle some spring onions. Okay, there you go. Okay, let's give this a little try. See, you cut the bite-sized piece of chicken over here. Check that out. Wow. Okay, let's taste this. Hey, check that piece of steamed chicken over here. Let's give it a try. Feels good. Feels good. Good. Eat this with a bowl of rice. Give this recipe a try, guys. Thanks guys for watching.